This is Fariha Abrar with your News in 90. The Biden administration told facilities for migrant children to reopen to pre-pandemic levels. The facilities operated under limited capacity due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The CDC calls the situation an extraordinary circumstance and says facilities should plan and expect to have COVID-19 cases, citing the nature of the pandemic and acknowledging that there is no 0% risk scenario. Today's memo underscores the Biden administration's challenge to keep children out of Border Patrol custody. Reddit announced it hired its first ever chief financial officer today. Reddit appointed Drew Valero as CFO just weeks after the site was put into the spotlight due to its role in the GameStop trading frenzy. Valero previously worked as the first CFO at Snapchat's parent company, Snap. In January, the subreddit Wall Street Bets drove a massive surge in GameStop, AMC, and other meme stocks. Days after the GameStop frenzy subsided, Reddit announced it was valued at $6 billion. It plans to use the fund to double the number of Reddit employees this year, as well as to invest in new advertising consumer products and to expand into international markets. Pope Francis landed in Iraq for a historic tour of the war-ravaged nation, marking the first ever papal visit to Iraq. The Pope said he went to Iraq as a pilgrim. Expected to cancel the trip after a surge of COVID-19 cases gripped Iraq in recent weeks, on top of the rocket attacks that deepened security fears, the Pope insisted the visit proceed. Iraq imposed a curfew for the 4-day papal visit, attempting to minimize health and security risks. That's your News in 90, but your Florida news is always on WUFT.org. For News in 90, I'm Fariha Abrar reporting.